Balak daw pong maghain ng ethics complaint ni dating Senator Antonio Trillanes IV laban po kay Senator Bato de la Rosa dahil sa patuloy na pag-absent sa Senado. Nakarating na ho ba ito sa inyo?
Wala pa, as of this time, wala pa naman siyang fina-file, pero ang pagkakaalam ko kasi, no, based on the rules, is that you can only we cannot compel members to be present. You can only compel members pala to be present when the quorum is needed, no? Yan po yung nasa rules, no? So, hindi talaga naman required, pero they will only be compelled to be present once a quorum is needed. So, yun ang nasa rules. At yan din po ang sinabi ni Senate President Vicente Soto, no? So,
But so far, wala pang nababiolate si Senator Bato. I mean, hindi pa siya uma-absent
so
pag
far, no?
sinabing so far wala pa pong gano'n na yung talagang required yung presence po niyong lahat.
Well, kasi as I mentioned earlier, no, actually binanggit ito ni Senate President Soto, he cannot compel any senator to attend session unless needed for a quorum. Ito rin po yung rules, Chair, if I may read it, no.
Opo.
Section 1999, notwithstanding the provision of the preceding section, the lack of quorum shall compel the President to adjourn the session unless by means of motion which shall not be subject to debate. A majority of the senators present agree to its suspension and ask the President or presiding officer or the Sergeant at Arms to require the appearance of the absent members. So doon lang required, no, kung kailangan talaga ng quorum. Doon lang talaga pwede required. Nasa rules po 'yan eh. So
Pero how do you monitor o paano po naman monitor na kahit na hindi po mapasok ay nagagampanan pa rin ng isang senador ang kanyang trabaho?
Ay, yan ang hindi po natin alam kasi kanya-kanya, alam niyo mga
Kaya,
Senado, kanya-kanya republika.
um,
So,
oho,
we don't meddle with other senators' affairs o kanila pong mga conduct of dealing with their offices. Pero as far, ang sabi kasi nila Senator De La Rosa, yung kanilang office na is still functioning in spite of his absence. No? So, pero siyempre on the details, hindi naman namin pwedeng pakialaman kung ano po ang kanilang ginagawa sa kanilang opisina.
unless na may mag-file nga po sa ethics complaint about
That is
this.
correct. Kung may mag-file talaga ng ethics, then probably we will look into it, no? Again, decision of members, and if there will be enough grounds to for the case to prosper. So doon na lang natin i-decision. Ayoko. As chairman, again, I will just be facilitating and presiding, and I will always get and we will follow the decision of the majority.